So earlier today, Dad and I set the level on our strings that we'd measured and pulled out, then dropped the laser light down on the concrete, made some marks, and then we snapped some lines. Those lines are where we're gonna, right now, lay out all these forms, secure them to the concrete. Once forms are all set on one side, then we're gonna tie this rebar to the vertical rebar, probably about 10 inches, 18 inches, and then 6 inches from the top of all the wall stuff. And then we're just gonna fill all that with concrete. That'll be a good time. TJ and Brigham.
So if you would, please subscribe and share. I can't become YouTube famous without your help. I don't even know why I'm trying to do any of that stuff. It's just funny to me. So here we're grinding down the edges of the footings we poured just to make sure the forms sit nice and flush and level.
The way these forms go together, you take a couple of these pins, you slide one through here. I'm going to try and do this single-handedly, which would be a miracle. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. Okay, so slide these pins through here and you drop this one down inside, and then as you hammer it down in there, it tightens up. So we're going through and we're setting these pins to tighten everything up. Made in America, that's the way it's done. Putting the whole thing together, we're doing the outside wall, then we'll tie all the rebar to the vertical rebar that's stuck in the footings. Then we'll do the inside walls, and then we'll dump a bunch of concrete in there, and it'll get hard and eventually crack. That's the guarantee with concrete.
In putting all this video together, I realized I either lost a clip that shows the ties that we used to hold the inner wall and the outer wall together, or I just didn't record one. I can't remember. Anyways, enjoy. There's so many things I'm learning doing these videos, the how-to stuff. A lot of it just seems like second nature to me, but I realize I've got to actually say and do something so other people can understand what's going on with it. See, now that's just about long enough to start feeling awkward without noise, right? Well, I still don't have a microphone or any of that fancy stuff, so I'm just gonna pick another song and plug it in and hope it works out. If you're still watching, you're either really bored or you're my mother. Either way, thanks for watching. Love you, Mom. Wish I could show the rest of the house being built, but I'm back in Hawaii. I fly out to Sydney tomorrow for a 3-day. I've never been to Sydney. Hopefully there's some cool stuff there I can make some kind of video something of. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe and share.